cute. I can make them. I need to make some new freebie stickers for Valentine's Day, so I'm here at Hobby Lobby to grab the sticker, not the sticker paper. I already have a ton of sticker paper. I need the sticker, like to look clear to go on top. I think I'm gonna do holographic instead. I do also want to get a journal because I do want to junk journal this year, so let's see what they have. Hey y'all, so it's another day. I am at our Airbnb. I'll give you guys a little tour in a second. We are doing a little deal. Buy 2 nights, get the 3rd night free. So I'm just gonna get a couple pictures and some footage for me to post on our socials. Yeah, let me show you guys around. Okay, of course, there's a few things that need to be picked up, some things that I've used, but this is the living room. And then it wraps around to the kitchen. There's a bedroom. Let me show you. Bedroom number 1. The laundry room is here. This is the dining area, or whatever you'd like to do in this space. We do a lot of gaming in this space, so we actually have this game closet that has a whole bunch of games in there. So you can have your family game nights. We got the giant Connect 4 over here. Then the bathroom. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3 with 3 beds. That's me. This is closet with an extra. There should be another one in here. I have to go pick it up. Double extra beds. Another bathroom. And we have the faucets dripping because it's cold. It's been freezing cold. But yeah, this is our little Airbnb here in Nashville. This super cute cup. This is the Heart Eyes 24-ounce cup. I offer this in clear, this super cute black, and I used to do a sparkly blue. This is a sparkly black. I don't know if you can tell. I used to do a sparkly blue one with hot pink. I might bring that back. I don't know yet. But I also need to go through my Facebook and Instagram on my website, because I have all of my products set to go to Facebook and Instagram. I need to go on there and fix some of the products because for whatever reason they're not approved, so I can't tag them on my story when I post anything. 159 approved products. I have 1 rejected, which that's fine. That one that was rejected is a digital product and they don't do digital products, so I'm all cool with that. And these 5 products, let's see what they are. That's fine. Can I hide? These aren't even the products that I'm looking for, so I need to go. It has my discount synced. It finally approved my page. Cool. I can customize my shops now. I'm just going to work on this for a few minutes and see what I can get done. All right, I need to go to my office so that I can work on this order that I got, so that I can drop it off at the post office tomorrow. I'm not going to drop it off today because I've been to the post office every single day this week. because I want to get my packages out ASAP. So I could not for the life of me figure out that Facebook stuff. So I moved on to something else. I started working on the Valentine's edition of my website. Okay, I'm going to assume that this mic is connected. I have no clue. I hope it is. But yeah, I gave up on the Facebook Meta stuff. For getting my shop. I'm going to pack. I have an gifting order that I need to ship out, and I also have an order of our lilac giant bow shoe charms that I need to send out from TikTok also. I'm still going to send out my TikTok orders even though TikTok is banned but unbanned. Today's currently Monday, January 20th. So you all, I'm sure, experienced what I went through yesterday with TikTok. Like, we didn't have it the night before and then woke up, and a few hours after that, for like 12 to 14 hours later, now we have TikTok all of a sudden. So I'm going to continue to ship out these orders that I have. And yeah. Let's do a little time lapse. I just filmed a video for TikTok, well, for Instagram Reels. So I'll insert that here. Pack and order with me, besties. This is going to one of our brand new brand affiliates, Naomi. I hope you really enjoy it. So let's get into packing your order. I package all of my orders the same. I want to make sure that your Now I'm going to pack my next order, and that's also going to become a YouTube short / Instagram reel. This is a brand rep package that I need to send out. It was a gifted mirror, so let's pack and order together. So I already have the base of my box together. So I just take my shoe charm and I place it in the box. Then I also take the packing and put that on top as well. Then I'm going to take the thank you card and write their name on it. This order is from Jasmine. This will go in here on top of the packing list. I gotta get their thank you. So I put 2 stickers in my little holographic baggies. I'll have these baggies tagged in the description box below. They are from Amazon. And I put my little thank you sticker on it. And now I need to put a scrunch. No, I'm gonna do a shoe. Here's all my extra shoe charms. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to give them this little crystal ball. So I will throw this in there also with their order. For the pink boxes, I like to use clear tape since the box is already pink. I don't foresee a reason to double up the pink anymore. Take a decent amount, and I'm going to take it here to here and bring it down. And then the shipping label on top. Then I'm going to take my little Happy Valentine's Day. I think I'm gonna put it over top that. Yeah, I like how that looks. So those are the 2 orders I need to ship out today. And I also want to work on a few new designs. So I'm going to pick up really quickly. I'm going to go heat me up some lunch because it is 11:24 and I am hungry and thirsty. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. I needed to make some more little freebie thank yous, so I'm making those. I forgot to record, but I usually just put 2 stickers in each one and then a hair accessory or a beauty accessory or a shoe charm. So I have a few of them here. I just completed this one. I'm going to do this. I think these stickers are so cute. I want to get some more stickers like this. And I need some of these so that I can ensure that they know that it's a freebie and that they didn't order something that they didn't get. I mean, yeah, that they didn't order something that they did not buy. Let's get these on the shelf. Cute. These are for the girlies and these are more for males. I don't really have a whole lot left to do today, so I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog off. This will be a studio vlog. I think this will be studio vlog number 4. So if you watched all the way to the end, thank you. Comment this emoji. Hopefully we get CapCut back. I might end up just going ahead and editing all of these videos on iMovie. I hate iMovie, but gotta do what we gotta do to get the content out there. But my name is Carrie and I am the owner at Daisy Boutique, and thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.